Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I New. This time we talk about they are not a promotional tool. Fan react to hype featuring BTS in teaser for new mixed gender group with the Allen Universe. And Hype label released a casting call for a global co-ed pop group on their YouTube channel on April 4, 2025. The new pop group will be a joint venture with other YouTube Alan Chicken Show, and the video ran for about a minute and introduced Hive America XAU. And Variety reported that the new label will aim to merge scripted content and music, and the new pop group will consist of three male and three female members. While it was a fresh concept, the project itself was not, and what drew attention it was the use of BTS concert clip that caused backlash from the band fan, and the video used footage of BTS as well as other popular bands as they are asked interested people to audition to be a part of the new group. And shortly after they saw the teaser, the ARMY BTS fan base took to social media to express their unhappiness with the footage, and many felt that it was an attempt to imply that the new group could mirror BTS success. Others pointed out that it was unfair and unnecessary to use the group as a marketing tool for a completely unrelated project, and ex-user said, and they leave BTS alone. They are not a promotion tool. They are not even related to Hype America. Across social media, Army questioned why BTS, who are under and the big hit music, were featured in a teaser for a different label group. Fans said the company should be focusing on supporting BTS member and instead of the repeatedly using the group to boost new venture. Wait 1 minute, first video of those ideal, then ready to become a global phenomenon appear after that the video for me and at concert. What was the meaning behind all this? Has the preparation for next BTS started again? And BTS is under big hit. Why hype using BTS and ARMY and everything would have, and they have been fine had they not used BTS clip right before going hype K-pop methodology. Get the business perspective, but it's distasteful considering BTS has never been a formula and has fans that have been on this journey because it has exactly those seven men. Another fan commented, how is BTS related? Why are they used for promotion but never given the actual credit? A netizen remarked, now, why BTS are being used for the promo and the what's K-pop method? BTS reached to the top with their own hard work, own personality, and the musicality, and no one can replicate BTS. To make the another BTS, what's so hard in this to understand? A person commented. Some also felt that this reflected a long-standing pattern of the K-pop gang using BTS success to promote new group and the content. It's always hype using BTS to promote other group instead of promoting BTS themselves. We really could not fucking and they care less about all of these global group. So free them, I beg, a fan mentioned. And can hype stop using 875 name to promote their other group and the cause like you are making this new group alright, but you did not make BTS stop taking credit emo, and also do they not learn from the past mistake and excuse the role? Next BTS like for mass promote group without including BTS everywhere, a netizen mentioned. All we know about Hive America XAU new code pop group and project. The incoming group will be the part of Hive America XAU, a new label combining the label artist development system and the Alan Chikinshaw expertise in scripted storytelling. The group will be introduced through a YouTube series. It is described as a mix of music, drama, and performance set in the fictional art academy. The six-member group of three boys and three girls will be cast through a public global audition open to all the nationalities. And Alan is known for his viral teen comedy series Alan Universe. He will serve as executive producer alongside Hype America CEO Scooter Braun and James Shin, the label president of film and television. And this series will document the fictional rise of Global and the group of ideal hopeful who create their own brand after being rejected by a traditional pop program. Artists between the age of 80 and 28 from any nationality and can audition. Interested candidates are required to upload a short video clip of themselves singing, dancing, or the acting on YouTube short using the hashtag HypeAmericaXAU. This will serve as their official audition submission. If selected, they will receive a comment from Alan Chiki's show on their video, and those who pass the initial screening will be contacted again for a callback. through a second comment. And as of April 2025, 5 BTS members have enlisted in the military. Jin and J-Hope have already been discharged, and the rest are expected to complete their service. And by June 2025, I hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.